Hi, my name's Ty Bullard, and I just want to tell you a couple of the benefits of having your vehicle serviced at Infiniti Mobile. First one's convenience. We realize convenience is the number one reason someone picks where to service their car, so that is why we offer simple online appointment scheduling, courtesy loaner vehicles to drive while yours is being serviced, along with a courtesy wash and vacuum so you don't have to spend time cleaning your car. Then there's our experience. Since 1992, our dealership has serviced over 70,000 vehicles. Our factory-trained technicians have serviced more than 57,000 vehicles, and they complete 35 hours of Infiniti technical training every month. Our service advisors have more than 20 years combined experience that helps them understand the importance of communication and the role that they play as your trusted advisor. And then most importantly, trust. With an original equipment parts inventory of more than 400,000, factory tools in excess of 100,000, you can trust we get the job done right the first time, which saves you time and money. We understand the reality that mistakes happen, but you can trust that there's a person on the other end that truly cares about what they do and will do whatever they can to make that mistake right. This is Infiniti Mobile Service.